Alright, so we are going to evaluate some expressions here. Let's see, do I have a pen? No. Let's see here, we'll pick a pen. There we go. Alright, so we're evaluating expressions. Alright, and when I say evaluating expressions, we're going to have an expression, and we're going to have a value to plug in for our variable, or to substitute in for our variable, and we're going to figure out what the expression is worth when the variable is worth that amount. So here's our first expression. It's an algebraic expression because it has a variable in it, as the letter x, and we're going to evaluate it when x is equal to 7. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say that 21 minus, instead of x, we're going to put in a 7 in parentheses. You always put your number in parentheses when you substitute it in. We're going to add 2 and multiply by 5. So now you follow the order of operations. We're going to say 21 minus 7 plus 10. Then we're going to go from left to right. If we subtract 7 from 21, we have 14 plus 10, and that gives us 24. Alright, let's do another one here. Number 2, we're going to say that we have 5 squared times the quantity 30 minus x, and we want to evaluate when x is 24. So we write our expression. We substitute in 24 for the variable. Notice I put parentheses around it, and I kept the big parentheses. Then we follow the order of operations. So we work in the parentheses first. We end up with 6 in there. Now we take care of the exponents. 5 squared is 25, and we multiply to get a total of 150 for our answer. Let's do another problem here. This time we'll say that we have 4 times the quantity b minus 4. We're going to square that, and we want to evaluate when b is equal to 5. So we substitute in 5 for b, and we work in the parentheses. So that's a 1. Notice I kept the 1 in the parentheses. I need to square it because exponents come first in the order of operations. So it's 4 times 1, and that gives us 4. Oops. Will this work? There we go. And we'll do one more here. This time we're going to say we have 12 plus, in the brackets, 20 times the quantity 5 minus k. We'll end our brackets, and we want to figure out what that expression's worth when k is equal to 1. So we'll rewrite everything, replacing the k with the 1, put it in parentheses. And I forgot to end my parentheses, so I'll do that. We're going to work inside the grouping symbols, inside the innermost parentheses. So we have 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we have 12 plus 20 times 4, which is 80. And when we add those two amounts together, we get 92. So we want to remember that when we are evaluating, we are substituting an amount in for a variable, and then we're simplifying the expression using the order of operations.